everybody, welcome back to Half Torqued. Today we've got everybody in the shop again, like always. The hex lighting looking beautiful. The Omniwall looking beautiful. John looking beautiful. I wish his shirt was off. And then we've got the AWE Switchback Catback. Switch path Catback. My bad, jeez. And then we've got the non-resonated mid pipes as well. This exhaust is beautiful. The welds are gorgeous. If I can focus.
They're serialized, which is wild.
Spot focus. There it is. The light's on it. There we go.
Oh, the hex lights are on it?
The hex lights?
Oh man, the hex lights.
We have hex lights? What?
The hex lights are on it.
Oh, crazy.
Isn't that sick?
Yeah, that's gorgeous. So this is gonna be beautiful. We are excited. Got some pretty tips. This is quad tip exhaust. John, you excited?
So excited. It's so quiet. It's so stock.
Time to make it a track car. There's no going back now.
There's always the track edition exhaust. Yes. If you want to go crazy, you can do the track edition. Go from mild to wild to wilder. Yeah. Yeah.
Cut to the time lapse.
Really quiet with the valves closed and efficient. And this is kind of what you're looking at. It's probably not even picking up much.
So this is with the valves closed, right?
Valves
Factory
closed.
exhaust.
Yep.
Okay.
So
There you go. That's deeper.
and you can see the difference of where we were on that line right there. So gain some in like the low end. It's like 125 hertz. That's like basically from like right here, 80-ish hertz to a little over 100, between 125 and 200. That's like your base. So it's got a lot more low end when you open the valves.
So
And
that's
then, Devin, do you want to step on the gas a little bit?
yeah, he does. Rev it.
Just give it a little bit. Not a whole lot.
Redline it. You want to go higher?
So it goes pretty much all the way across. You still get a pretty good amount in the low end.
What are you revving to so we can compare?
It's got a soft limiter on it.
Oh, really?
For sure.
Okay.
What was it?
RPM.
Yeah, 4-ish probably.
All right.
We got to reset these.
So that'll be interesting. So quiet in the car when you're driving. There it was last night when I was driving it.
BMW Euro car stuff. They're really sounding that.
So basically, we're gonna do like a decibel comparison between the factory exhaust and then the new AWE switch path.
So that is with the fake engine noise coated out
Good.
on the inside. What I've gotten so far.
Good. Oh, Jeremy's not gonna be here to push the button and say going up. Peanut will do it. John looks so defeated in the background because he didn't get to push the button.
It's just scary every time. Okay, so one way to get a nice circular cut when you make a mark is to have a zip tie that's not curved. So you get a nice straight zip tie and you put it right around the cut. And then it'll give you a nice straight cut. You can mark the whole thing. You can also use like a hose clamp.
Kind of something me and John have done when we worked on cars. Got to put my initials in here. Boom.
So I think I read that these are size specific. So I need to make sure that the driver one goes back on the driver's side. Back on the passenger. And I don't think it's really about this. I think it's the way that the spring and that the new exhaust is set up. And then a way to not lose all your bolts is to put them back into the threads. Learned that from Devin Niemela.
Just like that. There goes across. Look down. Yeah. Get a sense of how that goes in. This is the top part right here, and it'll connect into that. So, and you kind of got to push it down on there. It doesn't want to go down, but it will.
Yeah, we'll get there.
This is a must when you're doing exhaust. You just slide this guy on right this, and you squeeze it off, man. It makes it so much easier. Highly recommend. I did break JDC's though. Sorry, John.
I like this one. Made in
Yeah.
America.
Sorry.
Yeah, I didn't mean. I guess I should get him a new one.
That's the Lyle tool.
Yeah. Sorry, John. Anyway.
All right, let's cut.
You know, we wouldn't be nearly as efficient if we didn't have the good old Omni wall.
I know. Thanks, OmniWall.
Thanks, Omni
Thanks
wall.
for saving the day.
Yeah.
Thanks for supplying efficiency. Boom. Okay.
Yeah.
Not bad. Okay, so all the hangers are in.
Ow. That's a tire.
Something like this.
Yeah. Yeah. I think that.
Yeah, she had to tap out. Little arms getting
Not
tired.
even. I'm short.
Hey, you dropped something.
Down.
That's there.
That looks
good.
Looks killer, dude.
That way you can see the AWE.
We touch a little higher.
Look who's back.
Onions.
Look who's back. Is that Jeremy Ray Taylor? Oh no, it's Devin.
Hey, no, we haven't met him, John.
Yeah, fine.
You're supposed to run it actually underneath. Wow.
What's that?
Yapping.
What are we yapping about?
Really? Yapping.
No. If you've watched all of our videos, the very first time you see Devin is the I have used paint before.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, I have.
That was so funny though.
We probably could just loosen these two here,
I thought it was funny.
because the X-pipe's not going to twist either way.
I'm sure there's probably a better way to do this. This is probably in the instructions, so don't do it this way. But I'm gonna put me a little hole right here.
And why are you putting a hole right there?
This
zip tie this up so it's not just dangling. I've been doing a job where I'm basically tasked with just figuring stuff out, finding solutions when there isn't one. So that's how I come up with stupid stuff that actually works. It's called Appalachian engineering.
Study here.
Yeah. Pretty good. Yeah, we're like right in the middle of both. Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Here we go.
It's gonna be loud. Wow. Big difference. That's so much better. Now open the valves. Valves open. There it is.
Oh.
God, I can like feel my
Wow.
I can literally.
That's
Alright.
dude, that is a deep tone.
That like rattles my chest.
Alright, here you want for levels, swaths.
Okay.
And give it a little rev. It's really close to stock
With valves closed.
with valves closed.
Okay.
All right, so hit M1. That opens them. Now
Wow,
give them a
yeah.
little bit more. Now, give it some gas. There it is, right there. So you can actually see, I think. All right, hold on. So I think before, most of it was down here in like this 125 to 250 hertz range,
Yeah.
which is like deeper. This actually brought the tone up a little bit.
So what, that's higher pitched?
So it's a little bit higher pitch, yeah.
Gotcha.
Gives it a little bit more
Probably the pops and bangs from the grass.
straight 6
Yeah.
pitch.
Dang.
You gotta be happy with that.
Oh yeah, that sounds
That
fantastic.
sounds a lot better.
Dude, that tone is crazy. That's like perfect.
You can feel it in your chest.
Now if you go a little bit more, you just get those callus downpipes and you're gonna be beautiful.
Beautiful.
There it is.
Oh.
God, I can like feel my
Wow.
I can literally.
That's
All right.
We're marking this off of Smooth Cheeks. Smooth Cheeks.
not smooth cheeks. The M3.
I mean, it just says mid-pipe though, but we did a full exhaust. So,
Exceed your own expectations.
yeah.
Never be fully happy with yourself.
Yeah.
Always be pushing forward. Always be doing better than what you think you should be doing.
And also work with great companies like AWE.
Yeah.
I mean, the stuff he said too, obviously,
But that's probably more important to be honest.
AWE is.
That's the only reason that we worked harder than we should have and we made it better than it was supposed to be. Oh, look at this. Exhaust. Done.
Man, all he has left on here is subwoof.
Subwoof. Wonder what that means. See if you can decode that in the comments.
Did we have something else coming for his car that we haven't talked about? No, I don't think so.
Such a lame car.
What an idiot.
He's not here right now. This is the day after.
Okay. I think we're good.
That was a
Idiot.
way worse sounding car now that he has the exhaust.
Man, it sounds like a game.
Put a clip in. In that pool.
This might be after the clip. I don't really know.
Yeah, well, who knows, man.
Well, man, if you heard that clip, you know how good the exhaust
Check out
sounds.
our YouTube shorts. You'll see it.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah.
I guess this is the outro now.
For that, yeah.
We'll see you on the next video.
That was easy.
That was easy.